Hello everyone and welcome on the behalf of Thinknyx Technologies. This video tutorial has been prepared by Aman Kumar and is presented by Kanishk. In this video, we will dive into the world of Pulumi, a modern infrastructure as code tool that allows you to create, deploy and manage cloud resources using any programming language. Let's take a look at the agenda. We will begin by understanding what Pulumi is, followed by the benefits of using programming languages in Pulumi. Next, we will cover its core components and how it works. Finally, we will discuss how Pulumi differs from its popular alternative, Terraform. Without any further delay, let's get started. Let's begin by understanding what Pulumi is. Pulumi is an open source infrastructure as code tool that allows you to use familiar programming languages like Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Go, C#, and markup languages like YAML to define and manage your cloud infrastructure. Unlike traditional ISC tools that rely on domain-specific languages like HashiCorp's HCL, Pulumi leverages general-purpose programming languages, providing more flexibility and enabling you to use existing tools, libraries, and techniques. Pulumi's support for multiple cloud providers is another major advantage. You can use Pulumi to manage resources on AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and Kubernetes, as well as on-premises environments. This makes it easier to adopt a multi-cloud or hybrid cloud strategy, enabling you to leverage the best service from different providers while maintaining a consistent workflow. One of the standout features of Pulumi is its use of general-purpose programming languages. Let's explore some of the benefits this approach offers. Rich language features. You can leverage all the features of your chosen programming language such as loops, conditions, functions, and classes to create more powerful and reusable infrastructure definitions. Existing ecosystems. You can use existing libraries and tools for your language's ecosystem, making it easier to integrate with other systems and frameworks. Testing and validation. You can use standard testing frameworks to write unit tests and integration tests for your infrastructure code, ensuring that your infrastructure is reliable and error-free. Collaboration. Using familiar languages makes it easier for developers to collaborate on infrastructure code, reducing the learning curve and improving productivity. Pulumi is built around a few core concepts that are essential to understand how it works. Project. A Pulumi project is a directory that contains the code and configuration of your infrastructure. It is initialized with Pulumi new command and it includes pulumi.yaml file that defines the project's metadata such as its name, description, and runtime. Program. Inside a Pulumi project, you have a program which is the actual code defining your infrastructure. This code typically resides in the main file and utilizes the Pulumi SDK to create and manage resources. After writing your program, you can run the Pulumi CLI command Pulumi up from within your project directory. Resources. Resources are the fundamental component of your infrastructure. They represent entities such as security groups and EC2 instances of AWS. Each resource includes property that specify its configuration. Input-output. Input are the parameters you pass to resource to configure them. Outputs are values produced by resource that can be used elsewhere in your program or exported for use of other stacks or applications. Stack. A stack is an isolated instance of your infrastructure. You can have multiple stacks such as dev, staging, and prod, each with its own configuration and state. Now, let's take a closer look at how Pulumi works. Write code. You define your desired infrastructure in a programming language of your choice. This code can include any logic you need to create, configure, and manage resources. Pulumi CLI. You can use Pulumi command line interface to interact with your infrastructure code. The CLI handles tasks like installing dependencies, deploying resources, and managing state. Preview changes. Before applying any change, Pulumi provides a preview of what action it will take, allowing you to review and confirm the changes. Apply changes. Once you are satisfied with the preview, you can apply the changes to create, update, and delete resources. Pulumi ensures that your infrastructure matches the desired state defined in your code. State management. Pulumi maintains a state file that tracks the current state of your infrastructure. This file is stored either locally or in a cloud backend, ensuring that your infrastructure is always in sync with your code. Both Pulumi and Terraform are robust infrastructure as code tools designed to manage and provide cloud resources, but they differ significantly in their approaches and features. Let us discuss some of them. Language support. Pulumi. Pulumi supports multiple general-purpose programming languages such as TypeScript, JavaScript, Python, Go, and .NET. This allows developers to use familiar languages and leverage existing libraries and tools. Terraform. Terraform uses its own declarative language called HCL. HCL is specifically designed for defining infrastructure as code, making it straightforward but less flexible than general-purpose programming languages. Abstraction level. Pulumi. Pulumi operates at a higher level of abstraction because it uses general-purpose programming languages. This allows users to implement complex logic and abstraction more naturally. Terraform. Terraform's abstraction is more focused on infrastructure, providing a clear and straightforward way to define resources and their relationship using HCL. Debugging. Pulumi. Pulumi benefits from the debugging tools available for the supported programming language, allowing for a more standard debugging experience. Terraform. Debugging in Terraform is more challenging as it primarily relies on log outputs and state files. Users need to interpret these to troubleshoot issues. Use case suitability. Pulumi. Pulumi is ideal for developers who prefer to use familiar programming languages for defining infrastructure, making it easier to incorporate complex logic and integrate with application code. Terraform. Terraform is well suited for DevOps and infrastructure engineers who are comfortable with HCL and need a robust infrastructure-focused tool. Learning curve. Pulumi. The learning curve of Pulumi can be steeper, especially for those who are not already familiar with the supported programming languages. Terraform. Terraform's learning curve is moderate, primarily focused on understanding HCL and the specific constructs used in Terraform. That wraps up our introduction to Pulumi. We have covered what Pulumi is, the benefits of using programming languages, its core components, how it works, and comparison of Pulumi and Terraform. Pulumi offers a powerful and flexible way to manage your cloud infrastructure using the tools and languages you already know. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.